Hello everybody, here's a quick tutorial to show you how we could find the axis of symmetry to be x equal to negative b over 2a for a quadratic graph. I'm going to aim this to finish this in 2 minutes. So firstly, we're going to start off by writing the standard form of a quadratic graph, which looks something like that. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to do completing the square. Alright, so before I do that, let me take the a out. And it's going to look something like this. The reason for that is I want the coefficient of x squared to be 1. Alright, and this is b over a because b over a times a simply gives me b here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start completing the square. Alright, and I'm going to do x plus, and I'm going to take half the coefficient of b over a. That's going to give me b over 2a because b over a times half, that's going to give me b over 2a. So this is b over 2a and square. Then I'm going to subtract this b over 2a and I'm going to square it again. And I'll put plus c. Okay, so we're almost there. We just need to simplify a little more. So this will be a bracket x plus b over 2a square minus b square over 4a square plus c. Okay, so obviously I'm just going to square this thing, and that's going to give me b squared over 4a squared. What I'll do is I'll expand and simplify. I'll take a bracket ax plus b over 2a squared minus b squared over 4a, because b squared over 4a squared times a is just going to give me b squared over 4a. And not forgetting we have a plus c here. Now, I hope this rings a bell as well, because a vertex form looks something like this. And we know that this is the vertex form of a quadratic equation or a quadratic graph. And we know that h is going to be the x coordinate of the vertex and k is the y coordinate of the vertex. So if I rewrite this equation, it looks something like this. Minus b squared over 4a plus c. Alright, do bear in mind a, b, and c are just simply constants or just numbers itself. So we know that this is the x coordinate of the vertex. While this is just going to give me the y coordinate of the vertex. Now, since we know in a quadratic graph, the axis of symmetry always passes through the vertex, and we know that a vertical line has always been of the equation x equal to a number. And since it passes through the vertex here, and we know that the x coordinate of the vertex is negative b over 2a, so that's why we could say that the equation of this symmetry line is going to be negative b over 2a. I hope this shows why the axis of symmetry formula is negative b over 2a, and this concludes the video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel and like the video as always. Thank you.